Hello students, welcome to KitKan Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 8. So before we start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKan Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is if Bilal has purchased a vase for rupees 3000 and sell it 4 years later for rupees 3500, what is the profit percent earned by him? So simply Bilal have purchased a vase which is cost price rupees 3000 and he sells at rupees 3500, so he makes a profit is 500. So after profit percent, what percent of profit earned by Bilal? So simply we have formula for profit percent, profit multiplied by 100 divided by cost price. So our profit is 500 multiplied by 100 divided by our cost price is 3000. So after simplification we have answered 16.67%. So Bilal has earned 16.67% of profit after selling his vase. Next question is Javed buys a desk for rupees 15,000 and a chair for rupees 5,000. A few months later, he sells the desk for rupees 15,500 and a chair of rupees 1,000. His overall profit or loss on sale, calculate the percentage. So our cost price for table is 15,000 and chair is rupees 5,000. So our total cost price is rupees 20,000 and the total sale price is rupees 16,500. So Mr. Javed has a loss of rupees 3,500. So simply we can find the loss percent. So we have formula for loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss multiplied by 100 upon cost price. Here we can multiply loss with 100 because we have found the 100th part of the loss. So that's why we can multiply by 100 in percentage. So our loss is 3500 multiplied by 100 divided by cost price, which is 20,000. So simply after simplification we have value 17.5%. Next question is a seller offers a discount of 1% on all purchases up to rupees 5,000, 2% discount on additional purchases of rupees 10,000, 3% discount on any purchases between 10,001 and 15,000. How much discount earned by a person who buys worth in rupees 12,000? So simply you can find the discount of a person who buys and purchases the amount of rupees 12,000. So at 5% seller offers 1% discount, then next 5,000 seller offers 2% discount, then next 10,001 to 15,000 means more 5,000 a seller discount 3%. So a person buys 12,000, so we can find next 2,000 profit at 3%. So we have answer 60. So we add these both three discounts 50, 100 and 60, so which is equals to 210. Next question is how much premium does Mr. Hassan pay if he has a life insurance policy at rupees 12 million and premium rate at rupees 2%? So simply you can find the 2% of 12 million. So the premium to be paid by Mr. Hassan is 2% of 12 million. So 2% of 12 million is 2 lakh 40,000. Next question is Samira draws a monthly salary of rupees 35,000. If the income tax rate is 5%, how much income tax does she pay in a year? So Samira's monthly salary has rupees 35,000. So yearly salary we can multiply 35,000 to 12 because 1 year has 12 months. So here yearly salary of Samira has 4 lakh 20,000. So rate of income tax of Samira's salary are 5%. So we can find out the 5% of 4 lakh 20,000, so which is equals to 21,000. So Samira has to pay rupees 21,000 for income tax. The new tax law state that salary income up to rupees 1 lakh is exempt from tax. So if James earns a monthly of rupees 40,000, what is the amount of income tax is rupees 4%. So James' monthly salary has 40,000. So his yearly salary is 4 lakh 80,000 because we can multiply it 12 to 40,000. So which is equals to 4 lakh 80,000. So 1 lakh is exempt from tax according to the new laws. So his salary was rupees 3 lakh 80,000 for paying the tax. So simply we can Find the 4% of 3,80,000. So our solution is 15,200. Means Mr. James has paid rupees 15,200 as a tax. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in your summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project has 10 marks included in the final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.